In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can disconnect a PS5 controller, especially if you don't have a USB-C cable available and you need to do it through Bluetooth. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you don't know, normally you'd actually connect or disconnect your DualSense controller using a USB-C cable plugged into the PS5, but you can actually manage everything else wirelessly. First, go ahead and go up to the settings menu up in the top right of the home screen, and from here just scroll down until you see the accessories option and open it up. Once you're in here, you'll see a list of all of those connected devices if you go into this Bluetooth devices section. Just scroll down and you're going to see that DualSense wireless controller. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is select the controller and then choose disconnect on it, just like so. If you ever want to reconnect that controller without a cable though, essentially just hold down on that PlayStation button and click create or share at the exact same time until the light on the controller starts flashing blue. Whenever it's flashing blue, your controller will appear in the Bluetooth list. Just select it and it'll reconnect to your PS5 instantly, but that is it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.